Soltaniyeh historical dome, the largest brick dome in the world, was built commissioned by Sultan Muhammad Khodabande in Soltaniyeh city. This mausoleum is an artistic masterpiece of Iranian and Islamic architecture. In other style is the first monument through which we can clearly follow the evolution process of Persian Islamic architecture. And brick is the main material used in this building. The plan of ground floor, the first floor, and the nearby spaces has been designed as a semi-rectangle shape, and the other parts of the plan in the second and third floor is an octagonal on which the dome is stood as a hemispherical front. 8 minarets have been designed to place on the angles of octagonal above the third floor. In addition to 8 entrances, 8 porches, 8 minarets, and a dome, the building has consisted of torbatkhane and a basement. It is stated that the Soltaniyeh skylight windows are similar to the sun clocks which had been used for region issues. 2 shelf domes are invented here for the first time in the architecture history of the world. The Soltaniyeh brick dome is the third tall dome in the world after Florence Santa Maria Cathedral and Istanbul Hagia Sophia. Wall paintings, lattice brickworks, wooden and stone decorations, plaster and brick macaronies, and some Quranic inscriptions are among different kinds of architecture decorations in Soltaniyeh.
یه معما بگم به نظرتون معمای سخته یا آسان؟
سوال اینه
که همون استرایپ کنم من 6 تا راهنما دارم لطفا به شکست تارسو دیواراش خیلی قشنگ میشه که تو چش سقفاش کنار
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you like it, subscribe my channel. See you soon. Goodbye.